Okay guys, this is the OOTD. We're just going shopping. I'm wearing this, well, should I start from the bottom? I'll start from the bottom. Okay, I'm wearing Birkenstocks. Don't look at my unpainted toes. This little slip skirt I got from Target, but I kind of turned it so that the slit is a little more forward. I don't like it on the side so much. I kind of like the front slit when you're walking. It just looks a little cuter. And then this little sweater vest vibe is from Old Navy, I think. Sunglasses are Amazon. I'll link them down below. Hair's in a clip because it's too hot for all that. I have my Lululemon little belt bag, whatever, and then these cute little hoops from, I think, Amazon or Target. I'll link it all down below. Obviously the rings, and that's it. Nothing too crazy. We are literally just grocery shopping, so I'll bring you guys with me. We're just restocking the house. Okay guys, we just got home, and as you can see on my counters, we got so much stuff. But this isn't a usual grocery haul. This is just our household restock. So sorry if you can hear my little puppies running around and playing, but I'm just gonna like bust through it, to be honest, because there's so much stuff. But we needed to restock. Our fridge was looking mad empty after that vacation. First things first, #1 priority, kombucha. If you guys don't drink kombucha, you should. It's so good for your stomach. It's just my favorite thing. End of story. I'm gonna teach you guys a mocktail recipe too. Like, I post them on the shorts, so if you guys don't watch my shorts, I post on shorts a lot with like little recipes and stuff. So I like the bubbly rose. This is my favorite, the Health Aid one. It's always out of stock here though, so I am gonna be trying out the Synergy guava one because I got a juice to go with it. That'll be like perfect to make little mocktails in the evenings during the week. And then jalapenos, because we always need jalapenos in this house. This is the produce bag, and I'm very excited. Also, these bags are from Amazon, so I'll link them. They are like refrigerator bags, so they're perfect for our shopping. We got so much produce. It's just so summery and nice weather. So half a watermelon. My goal this summer is to learn to love to eat just like fresh watermelon. It's not my favorite fruit to eat. I love watermelon juice, but I don't know. I don't like the texture of watermelon, so I'm gonna practice loving it. Pineapple. Now this is one of my favorite fruits. I cannot wait to eat it. So half a pineapple, and then lots of strawberries. So I'm actually gonna be making a strawberry agua fresca, a creamy strawberry agua fresca drink tonight, because we're gonna do carne asada for dinner, and I want to make it. So I got this strawberry pack for the drinks tonight, but also we love strawberries. I eat them almost every single day at this point, so just a big box of strawberries. Tons of limes, obviously carne asada, and just for general cooking. We got some avocados because I have another recipe I'm gonna be trying out this week, obviously showing you guys. We got shallots. I love shallots. I'm always cooking with them. White peaches. I can't freaking wait to eat these. I'm probably gonna eat one in a little bit because peaches are my absolute favorite fruit, and they're finally in season. And then some lemons. All right, y'all. Mixed frozen stuff from Costco. So of course, can't not pick up a big salmon. Love Costco salmon. Like, that's the best deal on salmon you are gonna find up here, to be honest, which is kind of weird because it's wild caught Alaskan salmon, but salmon up here is so expensive because we don't live on the side of Alaska where you're like fishing for salmon, I guess. Like, there are places you can fish, but they're a couple hours away. So our salmon is like just ridiculously expensive over on this side. I grabbed some kimchi. I know this is not the most authentic, but you know what? We gonna try it out. I mean, it's the #1 kimchi brand in Korea, apparently. Someone correct me if that's not true, because that's what it says on the packaging. Frozen strawberries, because I can't get enough of them. This pack of sheet pan veggies that you can throw into literally everything. It's so good. It's by the Tattooed Chef. And honestly, they are seasoned already, so they taste great on their own. You really don't have to add much to them. We got some organic blueberries. And the Daybreak blend, which is peaches, mango, strawberries, and pineapple. I really love frozen fruit. You can also just have some frozen fruit with condensed milk, and that's like a really good little dessert for my girlies on a weight loss journey with me. Like, that is such a good dessert. And if you are a dairy-free person, condensed milk 9 times out of 10 doesn't bother those of us who are lactose intolerant. It doesn't bother me at all, which is why I love it. So yeah, something to keep on your radar. All right, guys, so I just brought everything over here so I can go super quick with all the refrigerator and freezer stuff because we got to get it put away. So these pizzas, if you have seen them at Costco, just pick them up. They are so good. There's 2 pizzas in this box. It is like a #1 favorite in our house. It is so good. I wouldn't say it's like an authentic deep dish pizza, but it just tastes amazing, okay? Also saw these at Costco, so if your local Costco has them, ours usually doesn't, so I was really excited. I like beelined it over there to grab these because I love these popsicles. And they're pretty good on calories, honestly, like 150, 170, and 140. So strawberry is my favorite, it's 150. Coconut's 170 and mango is 140. So they're pretty good on calories if you are trying to lose weight or if you're just being mindful of what you're eating. And I think they taste amazing. So definitely grab those. Getting back into produce. So we've got our eggs, which seem to have like flopped all over the place. So, I mean, they look all right though. Whatever. Eggs, because we're gonna be cooking them tomorrow. So we got some eggs in there. Tons of produce. Jeez Louise. We got radishes for tonight with our carne asada. Bananas for Leo. Leo loves bananas. He has them all the time in his protein shakes. We grabbed 1 white onion for tonight because normally when I need to use onion and garlic, I just use shallots. And then cabbage. Love cabbage. We're going to be making egg roll in a bowl this week, so it's going to be super good. 2 yellow peaches for Leo. Cilantro, of course. Cucumbers, because I'm going to make cucumber roll, like, what are they calling them? Like cucumber sushi, whatever. I've been seeing it all over the place, so I really want to try it. Green onions, delicious, love them. My favorite smoothie mixes ever, the E-Vibes. I love these. I use 2 cubes in my smoothies every morning to get a little bit of extra spirulina in there. I also have spirulina powder I use, but these just taste so much better, honestly. They add such a good vibe to my smoothies. I switched up my smoothie recipe lately, so I'll tell you guys about it. And then frozen spinach to go in my morning smoothies. All right, y'all, so now we've got my favorite thing, feta cheese. We always get this at Costco. There's no reason to get it anywhere else. I prefer to get the crumbles, but the blocks are good too because I can make like feta pastas and stuff with it. We picked up some chicken tenderloins. I picked up chicken thighs, so boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They are great for protein. Leo loves chicken wings, so I picked up chicken wings. We also picked up his favorite. Leo loves kefir. He always drinks kefir. This is another great way to like do your probiotics for your stomach. I personally can't. This really, girl, my lactose intolerant girls, this is not for us, okay? We stick with kombucha. But he loves kefir. We also picked up some crema mexicana. So this is table cream, and we're gonna try it. We got some Oaxaca cheese, like Oaxaca sour cream, I think, or Oaxacan sour cream back when we were in California, and we had it on homemade flour tortillas, and it was so delicious. So we're trying to recreate that with this one because we can't find the Oaxacan one here in Alaska. Queso fresco. We love queso fresco in this house. We eat it all the time, to be honest. Love Oaxaca cheese. So we got 2 of these, and we also picked up a Faye Greek yogurt. This one is for our dogs specifically. Like, they have their own Greek yogurt in the fridge. Yes, I know. Yeah, my dogs only weigh like 20 pounds combined, but I don't care. They get their own Greek yogurt. It's actually really great for dogs. And since we started feeding them that, we give them like little treats made of it and stuff. Our vet says they're like super duper healthy. Their coats look amazing. So yeah, works for us, and they are obsessed with it. So if your dogs are picky eaters, maybe try mixing that in there. Are getting down to the bottom of this. We have so many groceries we had to grab to restock this house. So we picked up a bunch of steaks. We're not crazy beef eaters, but when there's a good price on it or like a good pack, since it's 4th of July weekend, they have these big packs for sale, and there's just 2 of us. So when you think about it, it's like 1, 2, 3 meals for us in this one pack of steaks. So it's a really good deal for us. And then my mom, while we were home, had actually made some pork chops. We actually don't cook pork. I haven't cooked pork in over a year. Like, I just don't cook it. The only kind of pork I cook is bacon. But my mom made some really good pork chops. Leo really enjoyed them. I actually enjoyed them, and I was like, dang, okay, I should probably start cooking like a little bit more pork in our rotation, I guess, because we only eat meat for 2 meals a day, sometimes 3, but usually 2, if not 1 meal a day. Like, we switch off, we'll go like 2 days and not eat meat at all. So this meat lasts us a long time. But we picked up these pork loins, and I just thought they'd be good to have in the house. All the meats are on sale because it's like 4th of July weekend, so it's a good deal for us. I picked up my favorite yogurt. You guys already know I love the Oikos 000. It's like the only Greek yogurt I eat, to be honest. I was so excited to see this. Finally, Alaska got it. So this is the Simply Mixology Strawberry Guava Mojito. It is a non-alcoholic flavored juice beverage. I love mocktails, so that's what this is for. It's for you to make little mocktails at home. I'm gonna mix this with that guava kombucha we just got, and I think it's gonna make like a really good little mixed drink. The kombucha is gonna give it that little acidity, that little bite to it, as if you're having like actual alcohol. So I just think it's gonna be so good and such a fun little summer drink. I also picked up a watermelon juice. I just love it in my mocktails. This with the bubbly rose is like one of my favorites, and like a splash of the watermelon LaCroix. It's such a good mix, honestly. Okay, we also picked up some ground pork. This is just to make the egg roll in a bowl. We're just gonna make it like for one lunch. So we got a little pack. And then we also picked up tonight, never cooked this before. It is top round London broil. But apparently you can sub this for flank steak for carne asada. Now, I have never done that before. Leo's never done that before. But we looked it up online because there was no flank steak there. Like, it just wasn't available to us. So we got the London broil, and it was on sale. So I'm not really mad at it. Sorry, guys. Percy's living his best life right now. We picked up some spicy jalapeno cream cheese. This is for the cucumber sushi we're gonna make this week. I guess, like, that's what everyone's calling it. So, and then Leo picked up all these Greek yogurt. What are these, baby? Probiotic drinks, kind of like kefir, but not like kefir. I would say if you're gonna pick between the two, just get kefir. It's supposedly a lot better for you than these, but he enjoys these as well, so we picked those up. All right, y'all, and last things, we picked up popcorn. Leo likes the simply salted popcorn. Don't know what's wrong with him because I like the extreme butter, and I think some of us just have better taste. You guys let me know, but I personally think I have better taste. So extreme butter, delicious. And last, obviously you get the 6-pack of almond milk from Costco. Really no reason to buy it any other way, to be honest with y'all. Like, it's so much cheaper. I am obsessed with sparkling water, so I got this pack at Costco. It's a new pack I haven't seen before, so it's blackberry lemonade, peach, and cherry limeade. This is gonna go so good in mocktails, and we are gonna go fill up my mini fridge. So let's get into it.
Make a move.
Okay guys, we're not turning off the air conditioner. It's freaking hot. This is my first flour tortilla that I made. Give me a review. Does it look good?
It's really good.
It's really hot. But does it feel?
Oh my god, the texture looks
Is that too good?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna try it by itself first.
Wow.
What do you think?
Delicious.
Like good texture?
Very good texture. It's very soft. Chewy, like a flour tortilla should taste.
Okay. Is it like a little too crunchy?
A little bit, but it's okay. Sometimes it has a little crunchy.
Okay, so a little less crunchy. I'm gonna go cook those, and I'll show you guys like our finished dinner, because as you guys can see, I keep spilling and dropping everything whenever I film, and as soon as I turn this freaking camera off, everything's gonna go perfect. I don't know what that is, but it's my life. So I'm just gonna go cook now. See y'all when dinner's ready. All right, dinner is served, and we are gonna watch Narcos and enjoy our little date night. Got our little agua fresca, the tortillas are in here, carne asada, grilled onion and jalapeno, salt, lime, white onion, cilantro. Leo's got his double drink going on. Look, I'm drinking water, okay? I'm not trying to get too turned, but Leo, on the other hand, drinking Hennessy and the cocktail, so give him one margarita, okay?